So I want to address my issue with taffy. The decal face looks, well, it just looks blank. I've not been able to really put my finger on it. As much as I like the decals, they never really stood out. They still look factory paint, so I'm going to go over them. The problem with this face is that you can't draw on it at all. Even after about 10 layers of Mr. Super Clear, I still couldn't draw on it. However, I could paint on it. So, I'm going to try painting over the decals. The face was really tough to paint over, but definitely worth it. I think the pupils in particular give her a little bit more soul. I was wondering whether or not I wanted to put eyelashes on the doll, so I gave it an Instagram vote and the poll definitely said yes to the eyelashes. And I'm so glad that they did, because I think that they really improved the look. So for the eyelashes, I have some doll eyelashes, and I'm just going to work out how much I want for each side and cut out two pieces that are the same. There we go, we can see that they're the same length. Next thing I need is some clear drying glue. I'm just going to check to make sure the eyelashes are facing upwards. I'm going to put a smudge of clear drying glue across the back. Slam it straight down on the face. I'm going to take a pair of scissors and cut it down to the size that I want. Thinking eyebrow level.